Zero Down Solar Installation, Tampa, Palms, Florida, 813-859-6880. Many thanks for clicking this video about Zero Down Solar Installation, Tampa, Palms, Florida and Tampa. Call our company now if you want solar panel installation for your home or business. Our contact number is 813-859-6880. We are available to assist you with installations and repair work of solar panels. In addition, today we are going to learn more about no-cost solar panels. Are they actually totally free? In most cases, cost-free solar panels or no-charge solar panel installation are in fact not cost-free. They belong to a third-party ownership arrangement. That is, a solar company will own the panels, and you will rent them from the company. While these deals may appear to be great, they do have their downside. The drawback is that you'll need to pay a month-to-month fee to rent the panels. There are also escalator clauses that can increase the rate without warning. The good news is that the majority of reputable solar panel companies provide financing alternatives to really help you stay clear of spending for the initial installation and design. A number of companies, such as the one we strongly recommend in the description, have zero down funding choices. However, you'll need to have to do a lot of research study prior to picking which option is best for your home. You can get information about the regional benefits offered by your utility, as well as the programs readily available at your state or local level. Also, talk to your local Better Business Bureau. Solar panel leases, how to go solar with less upfront expense. Solar leases allow individuals to go solar with less upfront expense. These are long-term agreements that are usually a couple of years in length. Typically, the payment will be the same as the month-to-month electricity bill. However, there are times when the solar lease will be more pricey than purchasing the solar panels outright. The upfront costs of going solar panels can be low, particularly if you get approved for a federal solar tax credit. You can also minimize interest by using a loan, however you will have to make monthly payments. Despite your financing option, you will need to keep an eye on the efficiency of your solar panels. There are two types of solar finance choices: leasing and a power purchase agreement. A solar lease is an agreement where you commit to making regular month-to-month payments. It is normally for a minimum of 15 years. In addition to a set payment, you will also invest in the installation, efficiency monitoring, and upkeep of your solar panels. When buying a solar power system, you will need to decide if you wish to buy the system straight out or sign a solar lease. Leasing is a great choice for people who do not have a lot of cash to invest or who are not sure that their home will be their permanent home. Many companies have stipulations that permit you to purchase your system outright at the end of the solar lease. However, this is a challenging and slow-moving process. Depending upon your credit history, you might not have the ability to buy out your solar lease early. Looking for cost-free solar panels? Try funding your system with a solar loan instead. If you're seeking to purchase a solar panel system, it's a great tip to check out solar loans. These loans are offered by solar businesses. This way, you can find a loan that fulfills your requirements and can conserve you money. The very best loan is one that offers a zero down payment. You can also compare quotes from various companies to discover the ideal offer for your budget. A solar panel calculator can really help you determine just how much your solar energy system will cost and how it will save you on your utility expense. This tool considers your rooftop size and local climate condition. It also consists of the amount of federal tax credit you're qualified for. In addition to solar loans, you may want to consider a home equity credit line, HELEC. HELEC is a type of credit that works in a similar way to a charge card. When you use the line of credit, you can withdraw money as needed to have. Nevertheless, the rate of interest may be higher than other types of solar loans. Lower your upfront expense with federal and regional solar incentives. Getting your home solar panel system is a great way to help in reducing your energy expenses. In addition, you can also make the most of a federal tax credit and refunds to decrease the upfront cost of setting up a solar power system. These energy cost savings can range from a couple of dollars to tens of thousands of dollars. Nevertheless, just before you buy a solar power system, make certain to take a look at the benefits offered in your area. Zero Down Solar Installation, Tampa, Palms, Florida, 813-859-6880.